How to fix Discord not loading on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. Hope you're doing super good and super fine. In today's tutorial video, I will be showing you how to fix Discord not loading on mobile. So let's get right into the video. There can be many reasons why the Discord app will face such problem. For the first method, try restarting the app. Most of the problems are solved after doing a quick reboot. If it works, then you are set. If it don't, then try the next method. It is by clearing the cache. Please follow the steps. Go to settings and scroll down to apps. Here you can see manage apps as the second option. Open it. Now search for Discord. Open it. And here you can see clear data option at the bottom. Click it and tap on clear cache. Hit OK and it's done. Now if nothing works, then the last method will be reinstalling the app and hit OK. This will 100% work. Now go to the Play Store and reinstall. This will 100% work and the problem will be solved. This was a short tutorial on how to fix Discord not loading on mobile. Hope you found this video helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If you have any topic that I should cover, then please comment down below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.